Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find and add the vibrant glow effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then afterwards we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Nightclub, and then it's going to be the second to third effect that you see. So the vibrant glow effect, we're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. I might add that you guys need the pro version of CapCut in order to use this effect. So now we're just going to elongate this effect to the entirety of the clip, and we can go up to the special effects tab and mess with the twist, the lateral chromatic aberration, the strength, glow, soft light, and speed. You guys can mess around with these settings as you'd like to fit your effect needs. And then we're going to take a look at it. And that's the effect, guys. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.